Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 5th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the Unit 5 Decimals, we will see decimal part and whole part. In this lesson, in the previous session, we have learnt about what is the decimal, its concept, and how it is used to represent 10th place, and how it is used to represent 100th and 1000th place. And today we are going to see and learn about decimal part and whole part of the decimal. See here, decimal part and whole number part. A decimal consists of two parts. One is whole number part and second is decimal part. These two parts are separated by a dot. Means if you are taking some number like 35.015, then here the three different parts are there. 35 is called the whole number part, then decimal point, and after that whatever the numbers are there, that numbers belongs to the decimal part. Means in this number 35.015, 35 is the whole number part, then decimal point, and then 015 is the decimal part. While reading a decimal number, the whole number part is read as a whole number. Means as we are using 35 as 35, so we have to read like that only. The decimal number part, but we don't have to read it in like 15 and 105 and all that. We have to use a separate digit, single digit, means 0, 1, 5. We will not call it as a 15. We call it as, read it as 0, 1, 5 in the decimal part. Whole part we will read as it is. So let's read some decimal numbers. Here 3.5 is there. So what is the whole number part? Whole number part is 3 and the decimal part is 5. So how you will read it? 3.5. Now the second number is 61.83, but we will not read as 61.83. It's a wrong reading. We have to read this number 61.83. 61 is the whole part and 83 is the decimal part. See the third example. 928. See, this is the whole number part we are reading as it is. 928.009. It is the decimal part. So we have to read the number like this, whole part as it is and decimal part in separate digits. Now here's one example is there. When you will get this type of number, these type of are called mixed fraction, and we will read it as 275 and 87 hundredth. We will not read as 0.87. We will read it as 87 hundredth. These numbers are called mixed fractions. Dear students, today we learnt about the decimal part and the whole part in the decimal number and how to read it proper way. So this is a small assignment which is based on that. You have to read these decimals loudly and then write it in your notebook. See here, the first one is done for you, 63.85. So how you will read it? 63 and 85 hundredth. This is also the another way of reading it. Here you have to write the whole number part and the decimal number part in each of the following. See, the first one is done for you. So like this you have to solve the remaining all questions. See here, now the reading is given and you have to write the number in numerical decimal form. Means first one is done for you. 57 and 700 means 57.07. So like this you have to do the remaining all questions in your notebook. Thank you students. Have a nice day.